today is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to make a salad for me and Grandpa for lunch. So I wanted to film this salad because my salads are like famous amongst my friends. So let's see if I can get this on camera. So in my salads, I like to start off obviously with my base, which is going to be a spring mix right here. And then I'm going to also roast some broccoli, but I'm not going to let it get like soft. I'm just going to let it roast for literally, I'm going to season it. I'm going to let it roast for like about maybe like a little bit less than 10 minutes, okay? I already have my tomato and cucumber sliced up in here, and I'm going to use the rest of this. I'm also going to add some red onion to my grandpa's salad. I'm going to squirt lime over the salad. This is the dressing that I'm using for me. This is my favorite dressing. Oh yeah, I'm also going to add avocado in the salad. And then we're going to top it off with some grilled chicken. So this is just leftover chicken that we had for dinner. I cooked on Sunday and we ate this Sunday night and Monday night. So today's Tuesday. We're gonna finish it off today. I'm gonna put the rest of it in London's lunchbox for tomorrow. And I'm cooking salmon tonight, which I also have a video on too. So if you guys wanna see how to pan sear your salmon, then I will link that video above in the cards. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Squirting soap all over the place. So this is the first time I'm ever filming and like actively trying to talk in a video, so bear with me. Okay, I'll switch it up as I go, but this is, whoa, almost lost my phone. All right, so the first thing that I'm getting ready to do is cut up this broccoli. I've already rinsed it off. This is just raw broccoli. And, oops, I'm dropping stuff. And if you're wondering why I'm not like really dressed today, just because today was an editing day. I just finished editing and posting a video, and I'm going in and doing more paperwork. So usually when I'm doing like serious work, you know, non-filming, well, I am filming, but I didn't plan on filming today. But usually when I'm just, you know, doing some work here in the house, I don't really get, you know, all dolled up and glammed up because nobody's gonna see me and nobody wants to waste makeup, okay? Okay, so I went ahead and cut up all this broccoli. All right, now I'm gonna season the broccoli. Again, I do have a more detailed tutorial on how to roast your broccoli, but I'm just going to quickly add some olive oil here. I'm gonna grab a pan. I'm a mess right now, it's ridiculous. Okay, so on my pan, I'm gonna be adding some aluminum foil. Okay. Then I'm going to put my broccoli on here. Okay, make sure all my olive oil drizzles right off onto my broccoli. And then I'm going to be basically rubbing down the broccoli with the olive oil. Now I'm gonna season this broccoli and pop it in the oven. Again, if you guys want a more detailed recipe on how I make this roasted broccoli, then click on the card above because I'm not gonna do it in this video. So I'll see you guys when the broccoli is done. All right, so now that my broccoli is all seasoned, I'm going to pop them in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. Boom, that is done. The next thing that I'm going to do is chop up my chicken. I'm gonna go with this big piece right here. Now for a chicken salad, you don't need a lot of chicken. It's not like the chicken is supposed to complement the salad. It's not supposed to be like the whole salad. So I'm just gonna slice up this chicken breast. Can you guys see how I'm slicing this up? So this is cold chicken, you guys. I'm basically just chopping it up so that way it can lay over the salad and be eaten in bite-sized pieces. Because I hate when I get a salad and the pieces are like huge chunks of chicken. I always have to cut it up, and I just feel like sometimes you don't really need to cut salad, but all right. So then I'm gonna go in and just cut each piece in about a half, because that'll make it a little bit easier to top our salad with. And I'm probably going to cut up a little bit of this piece too. Okay, so now that our chicken is all cut up, I'm just going to pop it in a bowl. And then I'm going to throw it in the microwave. For about 1.5 to 2 minutes, depending on how cold the chicken is. Going in the microwave. Alright, so now I'm done with this. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge because this will be London's lunch. Now I'm getting ready to start assembling my first salad, which will be from my grandpa. So we're taking the plate. We're taking salad. And I'm just gonna do about 2 handfuls. And then I'm also gonna build a salad for myself. So I'm gonna use a smaller plate. And it's enough for a salad tomorrow. Next, I'm gonna start adding in my toppings. I have cucumbers and tomatoes. I'm just gonna start dropping those all over the top so you guys can see. I'm just placing cucumbers all over here. And I like to pre-cut my vegetables for the week, just because I know I eat a lot of salads. So usually I'll just take like 2 or 3 cucumbers and just chop them up for the week. And then I'm doing the same thing, as you guys can see, with the tomatoes. I'm just dropping, and I quartered these tomatoes, and so I'm probably just gonna add a little bit more tomato. Actually, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up that red onion for him, and then we're gonna add the avocado to the top. Okay, so our broccoli is done. Okay, you guys can see it is still nice and crispity, crunchity. And it's nice and hot. So we're gonna let that cool off for a little bit because we don't want it to wilt our good thing we got going on here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just chop up some of this. So here's the red onion, and I'm just going to slice it this way. Alright, and then I'm going to break it up like this and sprinkle it over the salad. Now, I don't eat red onion in my salad, so I won't be putting any in my salad. But the next thing that we are going to add is some avocado. So I usually eat about a half of an avocado in mine. So I'm gonna put, my grandpa is not a huge avocado fan, which is okay. But we're just gonna put a little bit in there for him. So this is what we're looking like so far. Next, I'm going to add this broccoli. Next, I'm gonna top it off with some fresh lime. I'm just gonna cut a couple of slits in there to help me squeeze this lime juice out. You could use 2 if you want to, but lime juice is really, really good, especially on salads. Then I'm gonna top it off with some Himalayan pink salt. A little bit of garlic powder, which is of course totally optional. Black pepper. And of course, some chicken. So this is what the salad is looking like. Yummy, all nice and seasoned. And then we will top with our dressing. Okay, now for mine, I don't have any red onions, but I am gonna drizzle some of this lime on the top. I already have my broccoli and avocado on, and I'm gonna drizzle some of this lime. Yum, yum, yum. So I like to season my salads because I think sometimes people forget that we eat food because of the seasoning that we put on food. And we season chicken, we season meat, but we forget that you can season salad too. That's make your salad a little bit more tasty. So the same ones. How's the salad, Grandpa?
Good.
I'm gonna put my chicken on top. And this is the dressing that I'm using today. This is mine. Yum, yum, yum. So I'm getting ready to dig into this salad right now. It looks so yummy. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat it. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you learned something new. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube knows and that I know that you like recipe videos, so I can get more up for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.